All right, y'all. I've been waiting for this. I've been waiting for this. This is the look, the hair like eyebrow pen, and it's got two sides. So let's see. This is in light brown. The young lady that I saw, I do not remember her name. This took a while to get here. It came from Los Angeles, so um maybe yeah, I don't remember that girl name. But this came from TikTok, y'all. So this is pretty, you guys. Let's see which end am I gonna get here. That's the hair like side. Wow, and then this is the drawing side. Okay. So you guys, my eyebrows used to be, yeah, but being in hair school and plucking and constantly plucking, and they usually grew back. But well, one time they said, nope, we ain't coming back. We ain't coming back. Mm, I don't know. So the girl said you supposed to, I don't know if I'm be, ooh, she was perfect at it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this because I can't even see that great. Mm, yo, this. Am I supposed to use my other hand? Look, I ain't no makeup person.
Whichever hand you go with.
I thought you would do good with your hand that you were right with, child. This is I don't know what I'm doing. But this my it's my expert in the back here. She in the background.
Yeah, you outlined do so.
I wish I could see better. That's the part that's driving me crazy because the glasses. That girl was a pro. Do you hear me? I don't know how. And she said, get light brown. This young lady, her complexion, she was darker than me, so I thought the light brown. So maybe I should have got dark.
Oh, like a black.
I should have got dark brown instead of light brown.
Oh, still works.
Nah, I can see this. Nah, see, I would be rubbing my forehead too much.
You think so? We gonna see.
We gonna see.
We gonna test it out tonight.
No, we not. I just do it because I was like, she did it so perfect. I mean, who knows how many times she did it. Then she went in and then used concealer, and the people said she didn't even need no. I showed you that video, didn't I?
Yeah.
The people said she didn't even need no concealer.
Yeah, it was perfect.
You guys, I never thought I would be doing something like this because, like I said, my eyebrows was like hers. Child, look like Bert.
No, you don't.
Bert and Ernie. Do y'all know Bert and Ernie?
Look like your mama. In them.
Well.
Oh wow, you really do look like her.
So this one was the fuller one, I guess.
Really?
I thought it was. You want me to sit here and do the other one?
Bert is Bert.
Now you ain't that young to not know who Bert is. You really don't know?
It's a cartoon. Cause I know a real person won't. Oh, excuse me.
See, and he younger than her.
You don't say that. You don't say that about
I
Say
said
Bert and Ernie.
I said that earlier. I said Bert and Ernie. Y'all play it back. Y'all, so overall, I think this one was the fuller side. I think this would have worked. This end right here is really nice and thin. This would have worked with darker. Why did she say light brown? I don't see how that worked for her though. Being that she was darker than me. That's interesting. Seemed like
Nah, you don't want nothing too dark.
yeah, but oh yeah, you're right. This is dark. Nah.
Well, I meant for her.
Oh.
I don't know. I guess it don't really matter.
Chad, this is like the time Tammy Roman went to get her. She went to get micro. She went to do something. I don't know if it was a tattoo. Or what y'all call that when you do the tattoo on the eyebrow? People was. I said, dang. I said, I'm surprised she ain't say nothing. She probably did. People was clowning in the comments. She said, you look just like Bert. Whichever the one Bert is with the eyebrows and the nose. Exactly. No. I look like who?
Kim.
So do you.
All in the family.
Actually, you guys, let me see if I can find them. Who Bert was. But anyway, I was trying to find these stencils I had. I had did a video for y'all probably a year ago. I don't remember, but they look better than this. But I do believe this is nice. You guys that are artists and can see well, this would be good. And you get the right color. This probably is the right color, but I did this one better. See, I think you do one side better than the other. Cause maybe I should have. Nah, I wouldn't have been able to. And you could shake it up. I know she gonna steal it. She don't need it though. Yeah, see how I did this? This side look better, y'all. Yeah, that side look good. Anyway, I was excited to try this. Go ahead and get it. It said if the color isn't quite right, reach out to us for the perfect match. What? That's nice. Oh. Anyway, so and y'all know if y'all don't know that symbol, that means how long after you open you're supposed to keep this stuff. Even though we keep this stuff way longer than we should. 12 months.
Girl, we just learned that.
I think it's on. It's pretty much on everything. But yeah, y'all. So thanks. I was excited. I wasn't doing no more dang on videos tonight, but I was excited. Dang, I do. Wow. Child, you see all my relatives? You will be able to tell us apart for real. Ooh, eyebrows make a difference. Oh, and they got them. If you guys know Burnt Beauty, she has the wigs, and those are nice. I guess they call them eyebrow. I don't know what they call them, but they're actually she peels them off and she sticks them on there, and they look. That's how I want to try those. Yeah, this one turned out good. All right, y'all. Will y'all try it? Will y'all try it? Will y'all try it? It took about, it maybe took a week to get here, but like I said, it says from Los Angeles. So, yeah, y'all. And it was in my mailbox, so them thieving people weren't stealing my stuff. I don't like that. Stealing my packages. And then this time of the year, they probably really gonna end up stealing stuff. Anyway, look. Look at it. Oh. Yeah, y'all. Yeah. All right. See y'all next time. There you go. I need one of them. Bert. All right. I know I said bye, but we're going to gonna see how easy this is to wipe off. I want to wipe off the least perfect side. Wow. Well,
Period.
maybe it should. Wow.
Period.
Yeah, there was a difference. I feel real naked right now. I feel naked. Wow. Mm. Yeah, that white off too easy. So you girls that be wearing this makeup, I don't get it. Like, see y'all not.
Sprays.
Oh, you spray it.
That's
That's how you set it and forget it. But what if you be like,
sometimes it happens.
I had such a rough day, and then your damn stuff is on your hand,
It happens.
and then you be in front of your man's.
I
But I don't care. But food is my man, so he don't care either. Hey, no judgment.